Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. Samsung is leading the way with foldable phones right now, with the brand new Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 setting the standard for other phone makers to follow, and Oppo could be the next in line to launch a foldable handset or two. As per Price Baba, Oppo is going to head-to-head against Samsung, even down to the naming. We are apparently getting a tablet-style Oppo Find N Fold and clamshell-style Oppo Find N Flip in the next few months. We already have the foldable Oppo Find N, which was launched last year and we enjoyed using it, but it's only available in China. It looks like the new Fold and Flip models are going to be sold in more regions across the world, ready to give Samsung more serious competition. Apart from the existence and the naming of these devices, there isn't too much to learn from this latest report. One tidbit of the information we do have is that the handsets are said to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Oppo and OnePlus merged last year, and OnePlus CEO Pete Lau recently been tweeting about the hinge system used on the Oppo Find N. He's also been asking for feedback on the next generation of foldables via the OnePlus community forums. That suggests more Oppo foldables are indeed on the way, and perhaps that they might be joined by a foldable with OnePlus branding. Such a device has been rumored for several months, and with OnePlus and Oppo now pretty much the same company, all the technology is already there to put out a OnePlus Fold. Samsung is undoubtedly out on its own with its foldable phones at the moment. We have also seen foldables from Oppo, Xiaomi, Huawei and Motorola, but the availability of these handsets has been limited. For example, the recently unveiled Moto Razr 2022 is only on sale in China at the moment. There are plenty more foldables are coming, and not just from Oppo. When manufacturers improve their production processes and the cost of the foldables starts to come down, they should be much more widely available in a couple of years. After Oppo and perhaps OnePlus, we are expecting to see a Google Pixel Fold make an appearance. Google has long been rumored to have a foldable phone in the works. It's with the same with Apple. A foldable iPhone is almost certainly at least being tested, but Apple seems prepared to take its time in developing it. So we have to wait a long time for Google and Apple to come up with a foldable phone. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.